Good day, class. My name is Lilibet Sangabon, your professor/student for this lesson. And now, we will tackle about using properties to find the measures of angles, sides, and other quantities involving parallelograms. In this lesson, we will learn math, fun, and enjoyable. So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated with upcoming new lessons. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! At the end of the discussion, we will be able to use properties to find the measures of angles, sides, and other quantities involving parallelograms. These are the 5 conditions which guarantee that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram theorems. Number 1. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if opposite sides are congruent and parallel. Number 2. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if a pair of opposite sides are parallel and congruent. Number 3. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its diagonals bisect each other. Number 4. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its opposite sides are congruent. Number 5. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if any two consecutive angles are supplementary. These are the 4 properties of a parallelogram. 1. Opposite sides are congruent and parallel. Number 2. Opposite angles are congruent. Number 3. Consecutive angles are supplementary. Number 4. Diagonals bisect each other. Using properties to find the measures of angles, sides, and other quantities involving parallelogram. Property 1. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if opposite sides are congruent and parallel. Given the square BETH is a parallelogram. I have given an illustration for further information. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if opposite sides are congruent and parallel. So we'll be having an example which is the square HELP or HELP is a parallelogram. If HE is equal to 3x and PL is equal to 12 cm, find the value of x. So we have the illustration and the solution. Using properties to find the measures of angles, sides, and other quantities involving parallelograms. Property 2. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if A. Opposite angles are congruent and B. Consecutive angles are supplementary. Given the angle BETH is a parallelogram, we can say that because the consecutive angles are 1. Angle B and angle E. Number 2. Angle E and angle T. Number 3. Angle T and angle H. Number 4. Angle H and angle B. Any pair of consecutive angles are supplementary. The sum of the measures is 180 degrees. The opposite angles are 1. Angle B and angle T. Number 2. Angle H and angle E. Each pair of opposite angles are always congruent. Property 2, example 1. JEKE is a parallelogram if M angle J is equal to 62 degrees. Find the measures of the other 3 angles. Step 1. Draw a mark the given. Step 2. Identify the relationship of each angle to angle J. Angle K is opposite of angle J equals M. Angle K equals M. Angle J equals 62 degrees. Angle E is consecutive to angle G. So, M angle E plus M angle J is equal to 180 degrees. M angle E plus 62 degree is equal to 180 degree. M angle E is equal to 180 degree minus 62 equals 180 degree. Angle A is consecutive to angle J. So, M angle A to M angle J equals 180 degree. M angle A plus 62 degree equals 180 degree. M angle A equals 180 degree minus 62 degree equals 118 degree. Property 3. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if the diagonals bisect each other. Suppose we have a parallelogram ABCD and the diagonals AC and BD intersects at point E. Then, diagonals AC is cut into 2 congruent segments, namely AE and CE. Thus, AE is equal to 1/2 AC and CE equals 1/2 AC. Diagonals BD is cut into two congruent segments, namely DE and EB. Thus, DE is equal to 1 half BD and BE equals 1 half BD. That's all. Thank you for listening and I hope you learned something. Bye bye!